Hi guys, Jordan here from ALNSM Overland and welcome back to my channel. You know, I really love my daily drive Subaru Forester, aka the Daily Fuzz, but there's one thing I hate more and more through the days. It's this. I'm not sure if you can really see how sloppy it is, and it's even when in gear it's so sloppy and it's really not accurate. When you want to quickly change gear, it's really annoying. And today we're gonna fix that, and there's actually one main piece you can change to make it better. Part is just right there. So here's the Subaru reference for you, and it's actually your shifting linkage. I'm not sure how exactly it's called in English, but this is the part that have a lot of slack, a lot of play, because it's been used. You can see this is there's some rubber part that tends to be really hard through the years, and it became this, and this is annoying. So let's fix that. Yeah, and this part is actually located somewhere around here. Yeah, you can see it now. It's just right there, and maybe I can. You hear that? You can see it moving. And that's the play you got in your shift knob inside the car. So what we're gonna do is remove this part first, just to get more access to the linkage. And then we're gonna remove this little pin here. We gotta push it. And then we got a bolt here. Where's my finger? And then we're gonna swap the part and see how better it's gonna be after. This bolt is a 12. And it's out. You can now see the bolt of the linkage here, and you can see even better the play. Let's take care of this pin first.
It's actually two pins, a smaller one inside a bigger one. The best way to remove them is to engage the fifth gear for better access and to use proper size pin removal tools, with an extension made of whatever you find in your garage. In my case, the smaller one was easy to remove, but the bigger one a real nightmare. I pushed so hard that a mustache popped on my face.
There you go. Fucking got it. Got it, guys. Yeah. Okay, so the main pin is out. That was a real struggle. And now there's just a 12mm bolt at just right there. Need to remove. The access is pretty limited as well, but this is the last part. Okay, so the last bolt is out. There is a nut on top of it, so you really have to have like a flat wrench to secure this one, and a small wrench at the bottom to get it loose. The access that way is a nightmare. So I think it's one of the worst job I've done on the Daily Fuzz so far. But now should be able to remove it and swap it. Okay, and it's finally out. and you can see here the play it had. And a new one, which is should be way better. Alright, so I decided to not put the pin back because it's too much of a struggle, so I choose another bolt just like this, a little bit shorter, and let's see how it looks. And here we go, it's in place. You can see the bolt here instead of the pin, which is nicely tight, and I really don't know why they use a pin. And it's brand new, and it's done. Alright guys, now moment of truth, and see if the shifter is still sloppy, or if it's still a little bit better, or if it didn't change anything. Right, let's try this. Okay, so it feels firmer. Yeah, there's still a bit of play in here, but it's way better. I think there are another linkage somewhere with rubber that is wearing, like underneath this. There's two types, but it's already better and more precise in the gears. So yep, worth it. So it's gonna shift better, or at least it's gonna feel better and way less sloppy. I'm pretty happy with that. Honestly, it was a nightmare of a job. I hated it. The pin is a struggle to remove. It's a struggle to get back in if you want to get back in, but you can definitely change it with simply just a bolt. It will do the trick. But it does feel better now. I'm happy with that, and I really hope this video helped you. If you have a sloppy shifter, you should try it too. The parts, once again, the reference is going to be down below in the description, but it's not that expensive, so definitely something you can do. So I really hope this video helped you. Thank you guys for watching, and you know what? See you soon.